This is it. This is it. This is going to be the end of the Robinhood Challenge. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today marks a very big milestone. I just crossed over $10,000 in my portfolio combined. In my M1 Finance portfolio, on the screen, you can see that I'm at $2,900. On my Robinhood portfolio, I'm at $7,100. So $10,000 is a lot of money to me. It would take me a long time to make $10,000 if I was working for it. This could easily go into my real estate, and I could fix up one of my rental properties. I could, put it for a down payment on another investment property in the future. So you guys might be wondering why I said that this is going to be the end of the Robinhood Challenge. Basically, I started the Robinhood Challenge about 1 year ago, and that is how I revitalized my channel. I got a lot of subscribers since then, and I want you guys to know that this is going to be the end of season 1. And starting next week, we're going to be moving on to season 2 of the Robinhood Challenge. So I just want to go over what has happened in the past year. And I want to start with my M1 portfolio. I started the M1 Finance portfolio about a few months ago in March. And this portfolio has seen a lot of up and downs. But basically, I'm still trending up. I'm putting $200 every single week into this portfolio. And right now, the value is at $2,909.11. And it looks like the market is starting to turn around a little bit. I don't get upset when the market goes down. I don't get upset, especially when the market goes up. I'm dollar cost averaging every single week. With that $200, I'm buying at the lows, and I'm also buying at the highs every now and then. And if we take a look at the all times, I'm up $12.32. And most of my gains so far for the last few months are going to be from dividends earned. My return on investment is only 1.15. So on my M1 Finance portfolio, returns are not great. I'm just going to be straight up and honest with you. So let's take a look at why my returns are not great with this portfolio. So basically, I'm down a lot when it comes to healthcare, financial services, energy, consumer defense, and most of all, dogs of the Dow. So with a portfolio this small, there's really not much you can do. The portfolio is less than $3,000. So right now, my only strategy is to keep investing on the lows of the market. So the next time that the market dips 2-3%, I will most likely just maybe throw in an extra $100 that week or an extra $200 that week. That's going to be my plan, is to keep buying the dips. And secondly, I'm going to be reinvesting all the dividends. Let's take a look at the dividends here on the activities chart. So when it comes to dividends, I got paid a dividend from Starbucks. I got paid a dividend from Caterpillar. It's a construction company. And on top of that, my $200 went into all of these companies here. Just doing his regular thing, just reinvesting all the money that I deposit every single week. Still have high hopes when it comes. I still have high hopes when it comes to my M1 portfolio. The thing with M1 Finance is that it's so hands-off. I don't really have to do much. I probably check it once a week when I do these videos. Other than that, everything is hands-off. My deposits are just automatically going in every single week, and all the dividends are just being reinvested every single week. But I'm going to be keeping a closer eye on this because as we all know, the markets are up and down recently, and the next time that it goes down, I will try to invest a little bit more cash into here, just to get the benefits from the dip. Other than that, let's take a look at the Robinhood portfolio. I know you guys are really interested in what I'm doing, especially this week when it comes to the Robinhood Challenge. So this is the Robinhood Challenge portfolio. I strictly invest only for dividends. If you guys want to see anything that I'm showing you in this video, just the links are in the description. You guys know where it is. It's probably going to be the first or second link, and you guys can see my entire M1 Finance portfolio, or you guys can join Robinhood for yourself. So in Robinhood, my portfolio is $7,100. I'm also depositing $200 into this portfolio every single week. And the thing with Robinhood, I have a bit more control when it comes to the times that I want to buy and the times that I want to sell certain stocks. But recently, I haven't been selling much. All I've been doing is just accumulating more shares of the companies that I own. On the day, it's pretty much moving sideways. On the week, again, moving sideways. On the month, I'm down $77, about 1%. On the 3-month chart, I'm up $600, 10%. On the 1-year chart, I'm up $950, 15%. And all-time chart here, I'm up 500, about 7.5% up. So let's take a look at the order history here. So you guys know that I love monthly dividend stocks, and I've been accumulating many shares of SPHD over the past few weeks. And this week I just bought one because I want to focus more on a lot of the other stocks that were down on the week. AT&T is something that I bought. I think I bought two shares here at $35. Right now I'm up 25 cents on each share. It's not much, but AT&T, another great company. The third stock that I bought this week is Realty Income. I bought one share at $73.23, and I'm up just a few cents here again on Realty Income. So let's take a look at AGNC Investments, one of the most controversial stocks that I own in the portfolio. $14.91. I own 55 shares. Average cost is $17.40. And let's take a look at the total return. I'm down $136.90. So AGNC is a monthly dividend paying stock, and it is a high yielding stock as well. Let's take a look here. Dividend yield is around 12%. So let's say if you invested $10,000 into this company, at the end of the year, you would make roughly around $1,200 when it comes to just dividends alone. So a lot of people, when they hear that, a lot of red flags go up. So with that being said, I'm still investing in AGNC. I've been getting paid monthly every single month since I started investing in this company in January. Yes, on paper, I'm down $137, but that's because Robinhood does not factor in dividends. On M1 Finance, they do a money-weighted return, but when it comes to Robinhood, they don't. They just do it through total returns of when you first bought the stock to what the stock price is at the current time. So what I'm trying to say here is that if Robinhood did calculate dividends and profits from trades, my returns on AGNC investments would be in the positive. I'm still buying shares of AGNC. You guys can see that, in the last week, I bought 4 or 5 shares of AGNC. So in summary, AGNC is very oversold at the moment. I'm gonna still be investing into this, and eventually it'll turn around. And oh man, every single week there is a bus or a fire truck. So difficult to make these videos for you guys without getting interrupted. So drop a like for that bus that just passed by. What was I saying? I'm going to still be investing into AGNC. Eventually it's going to turn around, and I'm still going to be collecting that dividend every single month. So for the next section of this video, I'm going to be jumping into the comments of my videos. You guys might not know that I read every single comment and I try to respond to every single one. But recently, there's been so many comments because I have over 100 videos, and comments are coming in every single hour. So I try to answer all of them, but for the really big questions that I like and the ones that I think will bring value to you, that's where I make videos about them. So let's jump into the first comment here. You should probably be doing this challenge in a Roth IRA, especially if you're going for the long term. No taxes on dividends or investment appreciation. So when it comes to my Roth IRA, I'm invested with Vanguard, and I do my Roth IRA with Vanguard. And I want to make a separate video about that. That might be my next video topic. So that's a great comment, and I'll go into that. So this is a little preview of the next video that I make. All right, so I think this is a hilarious comment here. Careful people, Chinese scammers run to the hills. I'm pretty sure that's what you're trying to say. They are scammers. So I thought that this was a hilarious comment. When it comes to scammers, you can't put a race on it, you can't put a gender on it, you can't put an age on it. Scammers come in all shapes and sizes, and you just have to be wary of them. There are many scammers out there, especially online, and especially on that how to buy Bitcoin in 2019 videos. I'm still deleting comments every single day, flagging comments that try to promote phone numbers and websites and stuff like that. So just be very careful, especially if you're on that video or you came from that video. Cryptocurrency is full of scams, and I only recommend you guys to use Coinbase or Binance. Those are the only 2 places that I go for buying Bitcoins or trading altcoins. All right, so this comment, basically he's saying that this video was a clickbait video. So if you haven't watched this video yet, I recommend you guys to go watch it to stay up to date with what's going on when it comes to my real estate investments. I closed on this rental property in May, and over the last 6 months, I've been rehabbing it, fixing it up, and it is almost ready for me to rent out. All I have to do is just some plumbing work, some electrical work, and get all the inspections so I can move people in. After that, I should be able to do that within the next month, and I will do a compilation video for you guys. In that video, I couldn't really foresee what problems were really there, because there was a lot of issues that came up, and it took a long time to solve some of the problems and how I would divide up the units and everything. So I will let you guys know exactly all of the issues, how I solved them, and all of the up-to-date stuff. But if you guys didn't follow me on Instagram already, go follow me on Instagram. I post daily when it comes to the property and when it comes to real estate investments and the stock market. Some days I'm not able to post on YouTube, and if you guys want to find me, find extra content, go to Instagram, follow me there. So with that being said, if you guys trying to make more money, go watch these videos here where I talk about dividend investing and real estate investing. And if you haven't already, drop me a like for this video, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification so you guys know when the next video is coming out. $10,000, I did it. Don't say you can't do it. If I did it, you guys can do it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you 3000. Bye-bye.